everyone, today we are looking at my new house. So I did decide to buy a new house and I decided to go with the donut house. I was contemplating between the donut house and the pizza house, but I went with the donut house and I think the next one I may get is the shop. So let's go inside and take this house tour. So if you notice, the outside of my house was black and white, and that's very odd for a donut house because usually it's pink. So my donut house is actually a pretty modern house. So if you see right here, I tried to keep some of the elements of my donut house, like the hearts. If you know the default decor of the donut house, it comes with these hearts. And I tried to not sell anything that came with the donut house, so you'll see later my secret storage. So I'm going to give you this tour. So this part of my house was just this tree part. It was so hard to build, but I really liked the way it turned out. This black and white wallpaper, which it was kind of ugly to be when I first saw it, but I think it actually goes pretty well. And then we keep this modern element, and here we have the lights, those heart lights, and we put a glass barrier here. And so I had some friends help me. I put some money in the register, so I'll show you a video of that too. I'm not sure which order we're going to do that in, but see, these are actually the lights that come with at the ceiling of the house, and then I just repurposed those to put them by the door. And that's my cash register, but cash registers don't seem to work. And we still have some of my donut chairs there, but I glazed them black. And here are some my hanging hearts. And then I like to keep my house pretty practical. So what I mean by that is, even though there's a second floor, I want everything on the first floor. So I want to be able to grab my water. Like once I come into the house, I want to be able to grab my water. And then if you look, and sleep and take a shower all downstairs. And this is my secret place where I can grab pizza too. So I happen to have to shower, but that's my I love these hot tubs because you can put 4 people in there to take a bath, so it's super convenient. If you don't know what that is, that's actually up here. This thing is like, I think it's like a donut chair or table or something like that, but I repurposed it as wall decor over there. And let's see. I'm going to show you my kitchen. So the kitchen, I actually didn't do very much to my kitchen. I'm holding a pizza right now. So the donut house does come with a default kitchen. I think I just changed the cabinets and I left everything the same. I will add more to this later, but I haven't decided what I wanted to do with it. I changed the wallpaper here. The bathroom, which I never use, I just kept the same, changed the wallpaper, put that little black backdrop in there to make it black. And then this is also my little secret place where this is the piece of donut furniture. And then over here, if you see over here, this is actually a room, but let's see if I can glitch into this room. I'm not sure if I can glitch into this room. If I'm not, I have to edit my house so that I can move this. Oops, I moved it back there. So this is my secret storage. So this room holds all of my furniture that I did not want to sell because you sell it for $0, but I may want in the future, so I just kind of kept it in here. And I put this rug on the wall so that it hides it. So that's my secret way of hiding my furniture. I need to put this wall back there. So I put it back, and then let's slide it over. Oops, it's a little tricky. Sliding it back there. So go back there, and then I'm going to show you, I don't think I put it all the way, but I'll fix that later. And then now I'm going to show you my second floor. And if you want tutorials, let me know in the comments below if you want to know how to like make things floating, because it actually did take me a while to figure out how to float things. Decorating this house was actually my first time decorating a house. Fun, but quite difficult. Some of the things to do, like putting these trees here, was quite challenging actually. So just let me know if you want a tutorial or not. Maybe you guys are all professionals and know. So this is my second floor. One of my friends decorated this at the upstairs and downstairs too. So I just went through and edited a little, but they did a really awesome job. So this actually already came with a dance floor and everything, but they did a cute little pet room over here, and then just very functional, like food for your pets. We can decorate it some more, but we didn't do anything. And then this has this like really nice little spa bathtub over here. So I really like that. And I feel like some of the walls I could probably put more decor on, but I haven't had time yet. And over here, I actually put these 3 cribs, which I love the way this looks. I put 2 rugs in the back. And then up there, I don't know if you guys can tell what those are. Those are actually trees that I colored. It's hard to tell. Those are so hard to make. I wanted to actually do the whole ceiling like that, but it was so difficult and tedious to put up there. I just did that. Maybe I will go around and do a border of it. But that is basically my house, but I do have a secret lair in my house, and this was designed by my friends, and I'm going to show you my secret lair. So you sit on here, and then you're going to push here to go into my secret lair, and this is my secret lair, which has rooms for everyone, or not everyone, but rooms for my friends that helped me design the house. So there's 2 pianos, a little hot tub, and there's a room for each of them. So this is the cloud room with the super cute cloud TV and these cloud chairs. And look at this bed. It's so cute. I don't think I can sleep in it because it's an adult bed. And I'm a baby right now. And then we got our little drink and eat things for our pets. And this is our little mermaid room with our little TV. How cute is this? And then this is our gingerbread room. So we had it themed in our little secret hideout. So this is the secret hideout that we have. And we have, of course, our pizza and our water cooler because those are essential. So then to get back, we have to sit here and then sit here to get back into our main house. So that was my little secret hideout. So if you guys see me online, you are welcome to come to my house and, you know, take a bath, grab some pizza. Drop me a line if you dropped by my house. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you want to see any tutorials on how to make any of these things or what you think my next house should be. Bye now.